Hello. Good evening. This is Priya Mahesh with you. Okay, you will be seeing so many of my aspirations chucked in, and I have introduced so many things, many of my aspirations, some of which are only for out of passion and nothing into business, except for something like consulting and training, and that too 90% of that I could do out of goodwill. So there is this is a very auspicious day in the Siddhi day of Shri Aurobindo. So I would, and mother loves children so much. So I would love to introduce my project called Nilachoru. So what is Nilachoru? So many critics have been raising because it is a Tamil word. I think in Malayalam also it is something called like Nila Choru means I'll come to the point, and this was started as white roses in English. So I just started this project way from Sharjah with little children in the park, just to shun the device addiction. And that time it was E-Life from Etisalat when we were in Sharjah. So we had a get together in Abu Shagara Park, and we were discussing. It was a splendid friends and very cozy environment in Sharjah. I felt at home. We felt at home, in fact. Anyway, for prosperity basis and life takes us everywhere, we need to accustom that. So there it started as storytelling for children, because we want to cut short the seeing of the Dora Bujji and everything. We want to show them that there are so many Dora Bujjis among you inside your flat, and in the circumstances of your flat, in your school, in the parks, where you can touch that Dora Bujji, you can feel, and you can have a character personification within each other. So this is how the start for the education of the children, and the entertainment goes a long way. And then what is Nilachoru? In older days, those who know that Nelli Maram, which is of the gooseberry tree, in Tamil they call it as Nelli Maram. So that is that Periya Nellikano, that round one, not the small one. So under that tree, or in the lake, or wherever it is, in a full moon day, the family members, the elder person in the family used to just prepare rice and other things, food, and also the play area will be there. So as a family, they will sit as a gathering, and they will talk with each other. They will motivate the children. And the Nila, when the full moon rises to the top, it will be very fine to look at each other, to dive in nature. And when you sit in a calm and cozy place, you will have that energy and strength and the calm mind and the free mind to even look into yourself and find out what is the fault. So there the elders, grandpa and grandma, and many elders like neighbors and aunties and uncles, they used to sit with the children, and they share all older stories of greater value. So in this context, I would love to quote mother's thing is like, there are wonderful and beautiful things in this world. The children need to be taught that. Nowadays, we witness in the techno world that the children are forced to comment and criticize on the elders. And see, one kind and humble thing is, even to the managers whom I train, I would request them to tell that don't hire another team member to comment on another team member or criticize and pass indirect messages. If you would love to address him for his low target performance, call him inside the cabin, give him the respect that he is also a person who's employed, and just because you're a sales manager and he is your reporting team member does not mean that you should treat him like a donkey slave. Okay, that is absurd, and kindly don't call yourself a leader or a professional if you want that to be done. So please take him or her inside your cabin and sit and speak that, because I have posted one thing, that when I came into my profession, I think I did 100 mistakes, and still I am doing, and it needs correction, and every now and then seniors correct me. So that is one thing. Likewise, so if I just told him that please don't hire another person to criticize another member, you please communicate indirectly yourself, so that if you talk with each other instead of about each other, lot of problems in this world could be solved very easily. With without the children do not know, especially teens, no, they do not know the entire drama behind. Okay, they do not know the understanding between two people, like the sales manager sitting and hiring one people to yell at the other people. The nowadays, no, the technology, the social media, the society, and the freedom of the internet has taught the youngsters and the little children to do all these sorts of nonsense. Kindly stop it, because allow them to blossom, allow them to enjoy the childish that children within them, allow them to enjoy the child within, and kindly do not teach any blemish like this, because the adults never may get hurt, but the children's consciousness gets blemished and it gets poisoned. Don't do that. And especially even now the children should be taught that there are so many beautiful things in this world. So look at that. So that is a tiny aspiration behind this Nilachore, to take them out. And once I conducted a story on team and it was a biggest hit, but unfortunately due to some harmony purposes the account has to be deactivated and removed. So that's not a big thing, because I take all learning platforms for growth, okay, because all difficulties are opportunities, and when we are criticized we grow. We do not know the drama happening between two people, so do not involve children into it. That is even in family meetings, what we see is my father, I'm a father's pet. நான் வந்து எங்க அப்பாவோட ரொம்ப எங்க அப்பா பத்தி நிறைய பேசுவேன். So நான் கொஞ்சம் எங்க அப்பா பைத்தியம். So because he whatever I share is only the value based things I share. He usually tell that to the elders that never talk about bad of another person, a relative or anything to your own child, and don't go in the middle of the children and teach them nonsense, okay, that she is not my friend. And why is that? Okay, because their consciousness are fresh. Okay, they are like fresh twiglings, they are growing, they are like fresh seeds. So let them grow in the environment of harmony, in the environment of healthy activities, in the environment of forgiveness, in the environment of being friendly with each other. Because when you don't teach them that these many characters, they are living with Dora and Pokemon and Spider-Man, and they are living with Chota Beam. So they should be taught. That is the Nilachore is taking the children on a moonlight evening, not necessarily moonlight evening. After so many summer camps and winter camps are conducted here, any person who is owning or who is a project director or camp director of any other camp of any institute, please implement this. I don't want to take the credit myself, but if I'm intimated that this project or this idea has been implemented in your institute, that divine joy enters my soul, that some of my ideas it is reaching the little ones. Oh, that is the main thing of starting this Nilachore. Like taking them out, okay, for not only for partying, okay, they should be taught that there are so many characters in this world, okay, like a friend, and they have to be shown that there are real life Chota Beams, they are real life, there are real life Pokemon, and they all know for every cartoon there is a villain. Okay, so among brother sisters, among brother and brother, among friends, they treat each other like villain. So they should be told that there is a villain in each and every one of us. First, that needs to be removed. That weed has to be removed. And then if you see through your sparkle clean eyes in the glass of the other person, you can locate the friend inside him or her. So this is the fine message I want to give it today. Children has to be taught there are very many little things in this world, and education is an instrument of prosperity. So, and education is the only unperishable asset that society can give to a child in desperate need. So education means it does not mean that you go to a rural part of India. It does not mean to get a convent education, a Good Shepherd or a Don Bosco or a what you call in a PSBB or whatever. Here it is in the higher Cambridge, or it is what they cannot afford. But you can afford your knowledge on time. You can sit with them. You can conduct camps for them. Even if they are labor cadre people, please call them and explain. Just because you are not educated does not mean your children should also walk the same path. Okay, thanks for listening. I'm starting so many sessions in the short while. I'm trying to implement the sessions at institutes and event organizers who are interested. So if you don't want me to get involved directly, you can always implement the idea of this Nila Choru or the moonlight dinner or taking out, and this also we coined as White Roses in Sharjah. Abu Shagara Park it was started, so it was a friendly and cozy environment and people, and life at Sharjah was flawless. And here too, because no, we have to move to some other areas due to prosperity, and we can't fool ourselves that we don't need money. We are not running behind money, but we did need money for managing our goals, life, and in a correct and professional, proper way. So this was started in Sharjah way back in 2010 with a small group of children, and every week we used to gather in that park, and we used to tell them that there are beautiful things in this world to feel, touch, forgive, be friendly, talk with each other, and just adjust with each other. Please look within each other. They thought beautiful characters in this world. Thanks for watching. This is Priya Mahesh for Nila Choru or White Roses signing off. This is a tiny project, and Nila Choru is my page. I'll be posting more videos.